I'm going to fix the base. This is the base of the table. So this had a problem, but with one missing piece. So I cut this piece and I glue, and now I'm trying to make the same color and the same veins. This Alessandro veneer. So basically now I'm going to masquerade to make the same, and start with the black and go with these lines, vertical lines just right on the top, and yeah, right. And after that I use some water-based color, some orange, yeah, and I put just inside in the middle. And now I'm going to seal with shellac the color, and go again with the water-based color, some of the yellow color water-based, one mix yellow, yeah, and start here with this color on vertical, yeah. This kind of restoration we used to call rigatino, yeah. So you go with the lines straight, the veneer, the original veneer. Again you go up, again you seal it with shellac. And now I'm using this dye spirit, and I go just this dye spirit is a little bit orange, right? Go just with in the middle, yeah. So this is Restoration Antique and Modern, London.